welcome back. Today I got a really fun video. It's gonna be a DIY video. I'm gonna be making a couple projects using my Cricut. I love my Cricut, you guys know that. If you're Cricut lovers, make sure to drop me a comment and leave me a spirit fingers in the comments, or even if you haven't had one but you're interested in trying it out, you guys leave me a spirit fingers in the comments. If you're new here, my name is Angel. I would love for you to join the family and subscribe to my channel. Also, it will mean the world to me if you go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. You guys, I'm gonna jump in. These projects are going to be some amazing simple projects that you can do. I'm gonna guide you step by step through them. So yeah, let's just jump right in. So for this project, I'm going to be using first this wood cutting board. I think it is so pretty. It's wood and then the bottom is painted white. So I'm going to put some wording on here. And then I also found this cute mug that could be a great gift, you guys, for the holidays. I think this will make a wonderful gift. You can customize it. You can get it in different colors. I chose orange for the fall. But yeah, I think this is perfect for a customized gift. I picked these items up off Amazon. I will leave links below in the description box, but we're going to customize these items using our Cricut. So first things first, we're going to go into design space, start a new project, and these are simple and easy projects, you guys. They're only words, so we're going to use text and type in the words we want. I really wasn't sure what I was going to use, so I just played around with the words. The great thing about design space, you can change the fonts, you can change the size, you can change the line spacing, you can customize it to however you want. You want to make sure to measure your items that you're going to add the letters to make sure it fits one and it's not too large or too tiny. Once you measure your items, you can change the sizing in Design Space very easily. Again, Design Space is very simple to use, and you just do want to make sure to get your sizing correct before you print and cut. So for these vinyl labels, I'm going to be using removable vinyl with my Smart Vinyl for my Cricut Explorer 3. And then when you're ready, you just click Make It, and the software guides you through the steps one by one. You got to have at least 6 inches of Smart Vinyl to cut, but it tells you that in the software program, and it guides you through step by step. And then we're ready to go load our Cricut with our vinyl. And the button that's blinking tells you to load the paper. It's going to measure to make sure you have cut enough vinyl so that it can cut the labels that you want to cut. And then when it's ready to print, you're going to hit the play button to start cutting the vinyl. It cuts really fast, you guys, extremely fast, way faster than the Explorer 2, which I really like about it. When it's done, the button will blink to unload the vinyl. And then once it's done, you can see that the vinyl is now cut. I like to cut my 2 labels separately, and then now we're going to do this thing called weeding, which is pulling off any excess vinyl so that all that is left on the paper is your words. I love the weeding process. To me, it's just very therapeutic. And you guys, all of my supplies I will make sure to link in the description box below. So now we're going to use our transfer tape, which you can also get from Cricut, to transfer the letters off of the backing and onto the item we're going to put our customized letters on. So that's the great thing about transfer tape. You're just transferring now. So, and you guys can see me. This is real time of me pulling off the letters and placing it on the item. Once you have them cut and print, it is very simple to apply. Once you have it on your item, you want to peel off your transfer tape, and voila, there you are, a customized cup. Yep, just that simple. So now I'm going to move on to my platter. I'm going to pull off my backing. I use the word welcome, and we're going to weed it again. And I got this little handy little gadget to help weed the little pieces off, to pull it off the needle. It's super handy. It's in my Amazon store. Once I'm done weeding, we're going to take the transfer tape and pull our letters off of the backing with it. And now we're gonna put our letters on our cutting board. The great thing I like about this is, again, you can customize so many different things. You guys, like Christmas is coming up, okay? The holidays, Halloween as well. You can literally give everybody their own customized gift. You can write their names on them. Great marriage gifts, you know, somebody's home. You can do so many different customized platters, so many different customized mugs. You can decorate your home and put your name on them, whatever you want. I love my Cricut because, again, you can customize things and make it to your fitting and to your liking. So the mug, again, comes in a gift box, so it's so perfect for giving out a customized gift. You can put their name on it, anything, maybe a saying that they like to say. So great. Wonderful home decorations, wonderful gifts. The options are limitless. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate that, you guys, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. And if you want to check out some more of my other Cricut projects, I'll leave the videos linked on screen that you can check those out as well.